If you've ever thought, investing is for rich people, or I'll start investing once I make more money, this video is for you. Today we're breaking down Investing 101, what investing actually is, how it works in the US, and how you can start even if you feel like you're starting from zero. First, let's clear up a big misconception. Investing is not gambling, and it's not about getting rich overnight. Investing is the process of putting your money into assets like stocks, bonds, or funds that have the potential to grow over time. In the US, investing is one of the main ways regular people build wealth, especially for long-term goals like retirement. So why should beginners care about investing? Every year, the cost of living goes up. Money is just sitting in a checking account earning nothing, it's actually losing value. Investing gives your money a chance to grow faster than inflation, helping you maintain and increase your purchasing power. Now let's talk about the biggest fear beginners have: I don't have enough money to invest. The truth is, you can start investing with as little as $5 or $10 thanks to modern brokerage apps. Many US brokers allow fractional shares, meaning you don't need hundreds of dollars to buy a single stock or fund. The first practical step is opening a brokerage account. This is an account that lets you buy and sell investments. Popular US brokerages include Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Vanguard, and app-based platforms like Robinhood. For one with no account minimums, low fees, and good educational tools. Once your account is open, you'll fund it by linking your bank account. Start small. There's no prize for going all in on day one. Even $25 is enough to begin building the habit of investing.